Welcome to the AOPEN Tech Minute. Today we have an unboxing and features overview of the AOPEN DEX5550-W media player with AICU endpoint management out-of-band recovery built in. This unit is an extended temperature version of our DEX5550 with an operating temperature range of -20 to +60 degrees Celsius. The DEX5550-W is ideal for indoor or outdoor kiosks and QSR application. This unit may also be ordered with an optional GPIO port. Let's get started. All right, let's get started with the unboxing. You'll see on the front of the box we have a barcode with part number and serial number for asset tracking. Inside we have a user manual. There's a lot of good information in here, such as chassis dimensions, the internal connectors on the motherboard, product specifications, and of course the definition of the ports. We also have a CD with drivers and some utilities on board. The unit itself right here, you'll see it's well packaged. There it is. Of course, power cord. We also have, that's unique to this unit, which is a extended temperature 90-watt power supply. We also have here some accessories, some rubber feet that can be mounted, of course, to the bottom of the unit. We also have here a DC power jack locking clip, and I'll talk about that in a little bit more detail coming up. Okay, let's talk about some of the features of the DEX5550-W. You'll see on the front of the unit we have our remote management port for AICU out-of-band endpoint management. We have a power button, a couple of USB ports on the back. We have an extended power switch connection. This allows you to hook up an external power switch if this device happens to be buried inside of a kiosk. Of course, DC power jack here. We have dual HDMI 2.0s. We have more USB ports, dual gigabit Ethernet, a speaker output, and of course dual serial ports, DB9s. We also have on the bottom of the unit, we have, of course, the model number and another barcode label that has the part number and serial number, and of course the MAC IDs for MAC ID 1, MAC ID 2. As you'll see here, we also have brackets that come with the unit that allow you to easily mount it to a wall. On the top of the unit, you can see the heat sink that allows for extended temperature operation. Okay, let's talk about the DC locking clip. Okay, to install it, it's very simple. Remove one Phillips head screw. Insert the connector. Place the clip over the connector. And then install the screw. Very simple process. I'll give a quick demo here. As you can see, that DC connector is not going to accidentally fall out. The recently introduced AICU out-of-band endpoint management solution will allow you to manage your AOPEN devices from a centralized web dashboard. This allows you to monitor performance, receive alerts, update applications, and recover the operating system remotely. Some of the other features of AICU include hierarchical management structure, group policies, remote screenshots, health status and alerts for CPU, RAM, SSD, and system temperature, hardware and software-based watchdogs, EDID emulation, HDMI cable detection, OS backup and recovery, and USB device detection with lockout capabilities. Overall, AICU makes remote device monitoring and management easy while lowering your total cost of ownership. For more information or to sign up for a trial account, please visit aopen.com. Thank you for watching. For more information about the AOPEN DEX5550-W, AICU out-of-band endpoint management, and other great commercial, industrial, and medical grade products, please visit aopen.com. Have a great day.